north central Illinois. DeKalb County in north central Illinois. Winnebago County in north central Illinois. Boone County in north central Illinois until 12:15 a.m. At 10:58 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Windows and Mendota, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect considerable tree damage. Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois. Winnebago County. Locations impacted include Philmont, Cambridge Lake, Lindenwood, Stewart, Lake Somerset, Fairdale, Love Park, Cherry Valley, Genoa, Garden Prairie, Poplar Grove, Compton, Winnebago, Kirkland, Rochelle, DeKalb, Harris, 40 miles per hour. Cyclone, Pecatonica, in Rockford. Impact.
That's on the bill ahead of time deadline.
Damage is likely to mobile homes. 23. Interstate 88 between mile markers 71 and 101. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Rockford, Crescent, Roscoe, Belvedere, Capron, Pecatonica, and Rockford Airport, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 71 and 101. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.